day after he virtually launched himself in the national arena, addressing students at Delhi University, far away in Kumbh, support for Narendra Modi at BHP's Dharm Sansad. Though no formal announcement was made by the congregation of saints and religious leaders, it was RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's blessings which assumed political significance.
लोग जानते ही हैं आपके मन में क्या है, केवल यहाँ मंडप में बैठे लोग ऐसा नहीं बोलते, सारे देश में आवाज यही गूंजती।
The Dharm Sansad, though meeting to discuss non-political issues including Ram Temple and Hindu terror, has this time assumed clear political overtones, with a section led by Ashok Singhal unequivocally endorsing Narendra Modi's candidature.
अवश्य बनने में कोई खराबी नहीं है। वो गुजरात ने जिस प्रकार प्रगति की है, उस समय देश की प्रगति उसी प्रकार हो।
The chorus within the BJP for Modi has been growing. The pressure from the cadre is also apparent, and there are those seeking to realign themselves. Yashwant to Shatrughan to Ram Jethmalani, to the extent that President Rajnath Singh had to issue strict instructions seeking party men not to comment on the PM issue.
चीफ मिनिस्ट्रियल कैंडिडेट और प्राइम मिनिस्ट्रियल कैंडिडेट के लिए यदि कोई डिसीजन होता है, प्रोजेक्ट करना, किसको करना, नहीं करना, क्या करना, यह सब सेंट्रल पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड करती है।
The party leadership, though, has been trying to calm things down, ostensibly with an eye on allies both present and prospective.
There may have been no official resolution over Narendra Modi's name as Prime Minister here at the Dharm Sansad, but there is no doubt about who this crowd was cheering for. Many would say this is his national constituency, but it is his appeal outside of here that would determine his political future. With K. Bimbadhar in Allahabad, I'm Shreya Dhondia.